Hi, I'm Matt with Kewlmetal, and I want to show you our CAD model of our latest Pro Street Kit design, which is for the Harley Street Glides. And we do all of our Pro Street Kit designing in Unigraphics, which is a high-end 3D CAD modeling system. Same system that's used by Boeing Aircraft, McDonnell Douglas, Northrop, General Motors, and it's a very capable CAD system. And what's nice about it is its assembly modeling capability, and the fact that we can design all these parts together and get all the mating conditions between the parts and the clearances and everything exactly right before it goes to the machine shop floor. It's an invaluable tool in designing something with the complexity of the Pro Street Kit. This kit is the same basic setup as all the Kewlmetal Pro Street kits. Our bolt-on kit creates a false neck out in front. This piece right here is the Harley Davidson stock frame neck, and our bolt-on blocks, this top block, this bottom block, and this front spacer shaft. There's a spacer shaft internal to here that controls the spacing between the top and the bottom blocks, and a 3/4 inch bolt that goes all the way through that bolts this to your frame, and that creates the false neck out front. And here's the new steering shaft right here. And then here's a new top tree and the new bottom tree. This is our upper pinching fat fork tube and a lower slider just to cover the fork. This piece is the stock Harley Davidson fork, and you slide that fork up in and you tighten down the pinching fat fork tube and that's what lengthens your forks without having to disassemble your stock forks at all and reusing your stock forks. This kit is designed with a 23-inch front wheel, and it's 45 degrees of rake, and we have 3.9 inches of trail set up between the new steering head and the tire contact point there. And I'll go down into the drafting view, and you can see that 3.9 inches of trail, 45 degrees of total rake. In order to get that, we're ending up with 15 degrees in the trees, 4 degrees in the blocks, and that's because the Harley steering head's at 26 degrees to start with. That's that number there. So you can see we can get all the numbers dialed in here on the CAD system, and you know, once again, with the assembly modeling capability, we can get all these interfaces absolutely dialed in. So first time we get these parts off the machine shop, everything's going to bolt together. We know what numbers we got, and usually at that point there's only a little bit of refinement, you know, left to go. So on this particular kit, we're going to be doing some fitment on the handlebars and the fairings, and exactly the positioning of the fairing and how that's going to look on the bike with the new 45-degree rake, and how the headlight and the windshield and the bars and all that's going to sit. So this is just about ready to go to the machine shop for the first prototypes. I hope to have those in my hands in a week or two and be bolting it up on the bike, and I'm really looking forward to that. We'll talk to you soon.